Hi guys, it's Michelle with Honeymoon Always, and today we are in the worst, cheapest room at Sandals Dunn's River in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Now, we needed to check this room out because we've been to this resort 3 times now, and every other time we've stayed in a Butler suite with a swim-up pool, and we love those, but we have not experienced until now what it's like to be at the lowest level of this resort. And this is especially important because this is one of our top favorite resorts overall. And we know that a lot of y'all are coming here too because we've met a lot of you on resort, people who watched our videos and said we picked this resort because of you, which we love so much. So anyway, we wanted to come and check it out and see what it's like to be in this room specifically. So we're gonna tell you all about that, a little bit about why we love this resort, and kind of what to expect if you're gonna stay at a luxury level room at this resort. If you would like our help booking, we are travel agents and we would love to help you. You can always shoot us an email to info@honeymoonalways.com. But if you're ready to book today, we'd love it if you used our link. You can find that in the description, or we're happy to DM it to you anytime. We've done 2 full resort tour videos about Sandals Dunn's River, including the time we survived a hurricane here. I'll link those full tour videos in the description, but just a few quick reasons we love this resort. It's one of the newest Sandals resorts, part of the Sandals 2.0 initiative, meaning it's an elevated experience all around. The resort is beautiful, the beach and the pool are great, the entertainment team is awesome, and very importantly for us, the food is elevated. This resort competes for our top favorite Sandals resort overall with Sandals St. Vincent and the Grenadines, another new Sandals 2.0 resort. Sandals Dunn's River wins out because the resort itself is a little bit smaller in size, so it's easier to get around. Jamaica is closer to the US and a more common flight destination, so it's logistically easier to get to, and it's less expensive. Now let's take a look at the lowest category room you can get at Sandals Dunn's River. So when we first walked into this room, number one, we were blown away because it is beautiful. It is really well done. And the room that we're in is right in the main lobby, right next to the road. So this view is not the sea, right? You're not gonna get an ocean view, and you're also not even really getting a pool view. But what you are getting is snacks that don't come at any other Sandals resort at any level, really. You're also getting a robe and slippers, which is important to us. We love using those, especially when you have sandy feet at night. It's really nice to have slippers to make sure that you're not bringing that sand into bed with you. And because it's so beautiful, it's a really comfortable place to be. It's quiet, so you're not hearing noise from other places when you've got the windows closed. And I do think that the location is very central. You just pop right downstairs and you're in the main lobby. And we're also close to Bloom Coffee, which is right up the street, and it's one of our favorite places to stop in the morning. Another thing that's super unique here at this level of room that doesn't happen at any other Sandals resort, I don't even know if we're supposed to tell you this, but I'm going to, you do have access to in-room dining. So if you want to just have breakfast on your balcony, or if you want to snack in the middle of the day and you don't want to leave your room, you can get that here. That's a really big perk that's usually only available for other higher room categories at other Sandals resorts. Another thing that stands out here is the drinks that you'll find in the room. Now, in every room on all Sandals, you'll find soda and wine, but the higher level categories is where you're gonna find any premium or specialty liquors. And in these rooms, they leave you a little bottle of rum and a little recipe for an old fashioned, which is such a cute touch, especially if you like rum. We are in Jamaica, so that's a very popular feature. So the one main pitfall of getting a room like this is you're not gonna have first dibs on the pool chairs and the beach chairs. We got up at about 8 this morning, and while there were plenty of chairs still available, none of them had umbrellas. We are sun-averse, and that's not ideal for us. Those chairs really go to people with Butler service or really early risers. So if you're an early riser, you might be fine. If you get Butler service, that's gonna be taken care of for you, and that's lovely. But for us, that's a little bit sad. So today we're gonna be hiding under a coconut tree, probably. I will say we're here in early May and it is at 100% capacity. So that is obviously contributing to why so many of the chairs are taken so early in the morning. We've been here at other times when it was not as full, and that is probably not as big of a deal. So it may be hit or miss there. Now, we have been here several times and we're doing as many room tours as we can to show you what it might look like if you want to stay here. So let me show you those now. This is the Tufa Terrace swim up 1-bedroom Butler suite. And the way I'm obsessed with the swim up suite here, you have no idea. This room has a tub, a fully stocked bar, and plenty of space to lounge and relax. We love this room. We stayed in the Tufa Terrace 1-bedroom Skypool Butler suite during Hurricane Beryl last year and loved it, to be honest. It's very similar to the swim-up suite we just looked at, but obviously it has a sky pool, so the views from your pool are awesome. The Mammee Bay Oceanview one-bedroom Butler suite comes with 2 balconies, a luxurious extra bedroom, 2 bathtubs, and, depending on the floor you're on, a beautiful view. We stayed on the floor right above the roof, so we mainly got a roof view, which is less ideal. If you're eyeing this room, reach out to us so we can help request that you get put on a different level with a better view. Also note that this particular bathroom does not allow for the most privacy. These Rondoval suites are awesome. Along with access to the river pool, you also have a plunge pool and a private rooftop. You can examine the stars through the telescope or just enjoy this super unique room. Keep in mind these are the furthest from the beach, but closest to the coffee shop. If you have interest in staying here, we would love to help you out. Just shoot us an email to info@honeymoonalways.com for customized free support. But also, if you're ready to book, we've got links ready for you. Just use our link to book, and that does tell Sandals we help you out, and we appreciate that so much. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment, send us an email, and we'll see you at the next stop.